What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about some updates for ChargePoint stock, trading under the ticker CHPT. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about ChargePoint stock here on my channel about a month ago. And since that time, ChargePoint stock has overall been pulling back along with the broader stock market volatility. Although more recently, here over the past week, ChargePoint has seen some upward movement, with CHPT stock currently trading at just under $21 per share at $20.83 at the time that I'm recording this video. It's no secret that the stock market has been extremely volatile recently, and although the major stock market indices continue to sit close to all-time highs, overall there is a lot of investor fear in the market right now because of uncertainties regarding the pandemic, China, as well as other factors such as investor fears regarding inflation leading to the market volatility. But despite the ongoing stock market fear and volatility, ChargePoint continues to provide investors with positive news. In addition to the news about the upcoming acquisition of VeraCity, which we discussed in my last video, on September 1st, ChargePoint management provided investors with the second quarter financial results. And overall, I'm quite impressed with what I've read, with ChargePoint announcing that their quarterly revenue increased by 61% year over year, and the company also raising their full year revenue guidance by 15%. Specifically, taking a look at the numbers, ChargePoint was able to grow their revenue to $56.1 million for the quarter, up from $35 million year over year. But despite the growth in revenue, ChargePoint has not yet reached profitability, continuing to report a loss for the quarter, which came in at the sum of $84.9 million on a GAAP basis and $40.4 million on a non-GAAP basis. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about ChargePoint as an investment? Whenever I initially opened my position in ChargePoint, I did so because I love ChargePoint as a long-term investment. And from that perspective, nothing has changed. But in the short term, over the next few years, there's no denying that an investment like ChargePoint comes with a lot of risks, as the EV market as a whole and ChargePoint continue to grow their business. Overall, from a long-term perspective, I would say that ChargePoint stock continues to be a great buy at its current level. But with that said, I can't personally say that right now I have been buying shares of ChargePoint because I've been busy focusing on some other stocks that I've been talking about recently on my channel. But with that being said, if we continue to see weakness in ChargePoint share price, then I'll definitely be adding some shares to my ChargePoint position. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on my research. An investment in ChargePoint, like an investment in any stock, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in ChargePoint, make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. What are your thoughts about ChargePoint? Are you invested in ChargePoint? Are you thinking about investing in CHPT? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.